Here come chicken bird. Here's my finger. I'm going to pet you. Oh, that's a good chicken bird. I'm going to steal one of these blueberries for Ducky. Ducky. Ducky, you want a blueberry? Went to Walmart yesterday and tried to get Ducky some yogurt, and it was above my head and I couldn't reach it. So I had to get cottage cheese. And Ducky doesn't like cottage cheese. And Cleotis doesn't eat blueberries, but she has an Arby's in the house. She has her Arby's left from yesterday. Because she gets two. One today and one yesterday. Alright, chicken bird.